動作動詞呢個 do 一定係諗咩啊 ？do did 或者 do does 或者 did， 唔會用 is am 去表現個時態嘅。OK， 咁同埋咧好多時候咧用中文諗嘢 ，I am like her。I like her 咪得咯，我係喜歡佢，係嘛 ？I am like her 其實唔係嘅，冇咗一個係。I like her， 我喜歡佢 ，I like her。同埋咧，用 is am 啊就以為 represent 咗 present tense like her。No，I like her。I like her 咧就已經係包括現在式嘅呢個。再重申一次上面個例子啫。OK， 好，跟住咧。我哋搞掂個 do 咯喎，記住啦，又重溫翻啦。做與唔做咧 ，he she 就係 does，I V U they 就係 do， 唔做 I V U they 就係 do not。問句就係、或者do I do we do they。he she 唔做咧就係 does not。問句就係 does he， 做與唔做 action verb。好啦，另外一個最重要嘅 verb 頭先講過啦，就翻轉頭喺度 verb to be。係與唔係，係與唔係 I 就 am 啦，我係，或者譬如 I am smart，I am smart，I'm a student，I'm a teacher。我唔係 I'm not smart， 我唔靚仔嘅 I am not a teacher，I'm just a student。我唔係 I'm not。呢個係已經係包含咗現在嘅時態㗎啦。OK，Am I happy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Am I a teacher? Yes, I am. No, I'm not。好啦，咁去到 VU day 咧就 are 啦，are 咧就 plus 一個 adjective 啦，或者係 noun 啦。我哋唔係 ，we are not。譬如 we are not in Hong Kong，we are not in China。Are you in China? Are you happy? Are you a teacher? Yes, you are。或者 yes, we are。我哋係啊 ，we are a teacher。We are teachers。No, we are not。We are not in China。呢處佢係唔係咧？Is she a nurse? She is not a nurse. Is he clever? Is he diligent? Yes, he is. He works very hard every day. 佢係啊，佢好 diligent 形容詞。OK， he's a student. He's a nurse. OK， 呢啲好啦，跟住 I am diligent. Am I diligent? Yes, I am. No, I'm not。記住啊。Tom is in Japan. Is Tom in Japan? Yes, he is. No, he isn't。係與唔係係咪形容詞啦？係唔係啦 ？Mary and I are good friends。阿 Mary 同我 Are we good friends? Yes, we are. No, we aren't。呢個就係好 common 嘅啦。Common error 啦。I am in Japan， 成日都漏咗 I in Japan， 冇咗個咩啊 verb to be 咧。I in Japan， 我在日本呢個 English 咯，或者 he in Japan， 其實即係 I am in Japan 呢個 verb to be 好重要。John loves Mary。John 好愛佢，第三身單數加 s 唔記得咗啦 ，correct。John loves Mary。He is not work today。佢唔係做嘢，呢句嘢成日都寫㗎，你哋係成日都錯。記住 action verb 個 work 係唔做啊嘛，咁佢應該用咩啊？係啦，用 does 啦，唔用 is。去表露個時態係關於現在式嘅 action verb 係 do、does 或者 did。He does not work today。I not like him。有呢個成日都寫嘅你哋我唔中意佢啊嘛。講過啦 ，action verb 個 like 一定要諗咩啊 ？am 唔係啦，係 do。我唔中意佢 ，I do not like him。咁呢 like 係一個 action verb 嚟㗎嘛，其實好簡單嘅啫，係與唔係 is am 就係喺嗰度。He is in Japan， 或者 he is smart 一個 adjective。He is a teacher 係三尾嘅啫，佢係就楞 is am 咧係啦，楞三樣嘢，或者係三四樣嘢啦，係 noun 啦，楞住個 noun。He is a teacher 啦，或者佢係喺 Japan，he is in Japan 啦，或者 he's smart 呢個形容詞。咁但係咧動作動詞咧就能千變萬化，個動作可能有幾百個唔同嘅動詞動作啦，係咪？咁一定咧係用 do、does 或者 did 嘅。 動作動詞一 like 咧就一定唔會係諗 is 嘅，係啊，或者 am。I do not like him。譬如呢度又倒翻轉 ，He does not be a teacher。be 咧已經係咩啊 ？verb to be 啊嘛，我哋講過啦。verb to be 係咩啊？係與唔係啊嘛，就唔係動作嚟嘅喎，佢唔係一個動作，係一個 teacher 啊嘛。所以有個 be 嘅時候轉做現在式咧就係、He is not a teacher，佢唔係咯。is am are 就係與唔係或者係唔係啊嘛。記住 is am are verb to be 就係咁樣變嘅啫。過去式就 was were，未來式就 will be，現在完成式咧就 has been。即係呢啲習慣咗咧就唔難認識，記得添啊。咁跟住咧就好啦，記住 action verb do does did is am are 加 ing will shall basic 就 Tom eats yummy food， 唔係嘅就 Tom does not eat yummy food。過去式 Tom ate yummy food，Tom did not eat yummy food。咁呢個咧最記住喎，成日都撈亂啊！呢個 is 其實唔係一個單口個 is 係與唔係 verb to be， 係 is am are 加 ing is eating 現在進行式呢個 is 唔係 verb to be 嚟嘅，記住佢 is ing 兩個撈埋一齊係 Tom is eating yummy food，Tom is not eating yummy food。將來式就係 will eat，Tom will eat yummy food，will 加 basic form。Tom will not eat yummy food， 全部呢個動作動詞嘅現在式、過去式、現在進行式同將來式，嗱呢四個式經常用嘅喺即係呢個初階嘅英文咧，特別會 highlight 呢幾個式嘅。太複雜嗰啲或者現在完成式太複雜嗰啲，我唔會 basic 嘅個 level 去教太多，因為好亂。你搞掂咗呢個，即係好容易，即係將來進行式咪 will be eating 咯，將來進行式嘛，或者過去進行式咪 was eating， 或者將來完成式嘅 will have eaten，have eaten 就 will have eaten， 呢啲唔複雜嘅，搞掂呢幾個已經好掂啦。OK， 下一張 verb to be 啦，就係 is am are，is am are 加 ing being will shall be 加 ing，sorry will shall 加 be，is am are 加 being will shall 加 be。I'm a teacher。I'm not a teacher。OK，basic form 係 be。喺個 is am 裏邊咧，佢係用楞住 I 咧就用 am 啦。I am not a teacher。He is handsome。呢個 basic form 係 be 啦，佢所以楞 he 嘅時候用 is 啦。He is not handsome。OK，he is handsome 咧就係呢個係楞住 he 啊嘛，楞住 is 啦 ，basic form 楞出嚟就係 is 現在式。呢個 am 咧就楞喺 I 度，個 be 都係 basic form。OK，呢度搞掂啦。He is always being late。經常嘅持續地現在進行式 being is being adjective。 He is not always being late， 佢唔係成日都遲到嘅啫。Is always being late， 經常持續地咁我哋就用呢個咯，即係我哋經常見嘅遲到 is always late 或者 is always being late。 Tom will be a chairperson。 Tom 將會成為咗一個 will be。Tom will not be a chairperson。咁有啲咩關鍵詞咧係現在式經常用就 always、usually、sometimes、often、never。always 係經常發生啦，7日裏邊7日都發生啦。usually 7日裏邊發生5至6次啦。sometimes 7日裏邊發生1次啦，often 就4至5次啦。never 7日裏邊發生0次啦。every day 7日裏邊發生7次啦。every week 每個禮拜1次啦。every month 每個月1次啦。every morning 每朝早1次啦。every night 即係每一晚。every afternoon once in a week 總之係習慣嚟嘅。OK， 今日就大概講到呢度。